We're going to do the same thing here. Equals VLOOKUP. This time we're going to look up the value again. Table is the same array. Again, we need to use absolute cell reference. So I'm going to use my shortcut key, the F4 key, to put the dollar signs in so that when I copy the formula down, it will always stay in this table. Type a comma. This time we're going to get our answers from the third column. 1, 2, 3. Again, it's going to be an approximate match because we're using this as our lookup value, and these over here are not exact matches, so it's going to be true. Then this time we need to multiply by the credits. So we're going to multiply their percent by how many points that's worth by the amount of credits to get the answer. And then we can copy that down. And here we're going to do a sum function. This is the range. Another sum function. And then to figure out the GPA, we divide, I believe we divide how many points they earn by the amount of credits. And that looks right, their GPA is 3.14. We always want to come back to this cell when we copy down the formula, so this cell gets absolute cell reference. So I'm going to push my F4 key to put the dollar signs in. We don't take the totals when you figure out an average. The average function does that for you. Again, we're just going to select the data. I think you're supposed to copy this. I'm going to hold the control key, pull this down here. I think this is projected. And I think you need to project this at a 5% increase. So that would look like equals this times this to figure out what 5% is. And we always want to come back to here. So we need to use absolute cell reference. And then we want to add it back to this so we can see the total answer. And then we can copy this across. And the same thing here. Equals the current year times 3%. Absolute cell reference. Now, if I hit enter here, I would just get what 3% of 2250 is, but I want to see what 2250 looks like at 3% more. So I add the 2250 back. And I copy it across.